What you're looking at right now is a 360-degree video that basically allows you to look around. So you don't have to look at me, you don't have to look at Gavin. Check out the river down below, Smith Rocks. If you look real close, you're gonna see climbers all around this whole amphitheater that is out here in Eastern Oregon. It's one of the 7 wonders of Oregon. We love this place. We've caught it on a fantastic day out here, right? What a spectacular place. Smith Rock, Eastern Oregon. 7 years I've been in Oregon, I've never been out here. And we picked a beautiful spring day to take you to a 360 view like the one we're about to look at. Look at this crack down here. Spectacular. This is one of the best rock climbing locations in Oregon. I'm not a climber anymore myself, but boy, what a view! Woo! We're gonna get out a little bit farther. Oh, the things I do for 360. Well, welcome to 360 video, guys. Use your mobile device to move around and look around this spectacular field of view. Click and drag with your mouse. Unbelievable. I'm Thomas Hayden, and we're 360 Labs.